Thanks for choosing EzzDoo. In this video, I will show you how to use the EzzDoo Cordless Chainsaw Sharpener. When you open the box, you will get a sharpening tool with a battery. Put the battery in. And a charger, angle attachment, 2 wrenches, and 6 titanium plated bits. 2 bits of each size. First, you need to figure out how to choose the right bit for your chain. You can figure out the bit size with the Pro wrench. Put the bit into a hole, then you will know which size it is by read the mark near that hole. The other side of the wrench is also marked in millimeters. And this chart will help. If you know your chain pitch, then you know which size to use. Or you can look at the chain packaging to see what size bit you should use for your chain. An even simpler trick. Just put a bit in your chain blade and see if it fits. If the size is just right, then the bit is what you need. Step 2. Install the bit. This the lock button. Hold it all the way down, loosen the nut, put the bit in and tighten it. Tighten it with the wrench. This is the speed control knob. You can select a speed you like. And the on-off switch. Step 3. Sharpen your chain. Please wear gloves and goggles before you start. Turn on. Put it into a blade to sharpen. And next one. And next one until it's all done. Additional step, use angle attachment. If you're not skilled at sharpening angle, it can help. Unscrew the black thing and install the angle attachment. You can adjust the depth of sharpening by adjusting the screw on the back. This attachment have 3 lines representing these 3 different angles. Keep the angle line you need parallel to the chain, so the sharpener is at the sharpening angle you want. Then start sharpening. And sharpen the next one. And go on. Okay, that's the quick guide to using EzzDoo Cordless Chainsaw Sharpener. You can sharpen your chains anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to recharge the battery. Keep an eye on these battery indicators. Press here and here to remove the battery. Then plug it into the charger to charge it. Enjoy the convenience of sharpening chainsaw chains. Your razor-sharp chainsaw will make cutting wood like a hot knife through butter. EzzDoo, make it easy to do. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions via email at EzzDoo_service@outlook.com.